Welcome to our informative video on how to test a through-hull fitting according to ISO 9093. Whether you're a boat owner, marine technician, or just someone interested in marine safety, this video will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your through-hull fittings are secure and reliable. Through-hull fittings are critical components on any vessel, allowing water to pass through the hull for various systems like cooling, bilge pumps and more. Ensuring these fittings are properly tested and installed is vital for the safety and integrity of your boat. According to ISO 9093, through-hull fitting must meet the specific strength and corrosion resistance requirements. Let's break down the testing process into clear, easy to follow steps. There are two types of tests: the test done by the manufacturer of the through-hull and one test for the installer of the through-hull fittings. Metallic fittings must undergo several tests such as corrosion resistance test and others, while non-metallic fittings must pass UV stabilization tests. This is not the installer's responsibility. They simply need to ensure that their fittings include a declaration of conformity or a certificate stating that the fitting complies with ISO 9093 requirements. Now, let's focus on the assembly test. First, ensure the hull around the fitting is reinforced if necessary, especially in sandwich construction hulls. The core material should not compress significantly when the fitting is tight. Use appropriate bedding compounds to prevent leaks. Seacocks should be accessible for inspection and operation, especially those below the maximum load waterline. They should be readily accessible in case of emergency. The assembly as installed or a representative sample shall be tested for 30 seconds perpendicular to the inboard end of the assembly. Apply a force of at least 1500 Newton, that is 150 kilogram force, for nominal sizes of 25.4 millimeters and below. For nominal sizes above 25.4 millimeters or 1 inch, apply a force of 2224 Newton, that is equivalent to 227 kilogram force. The assembly shall show no leakage to the outside of the assembly when subjected to an internal water pressure of 0.1 megapascal or 1 bar after this strength test, and shall perform as intended. Disassemble the assembly, and no part of the fitting or assembly shall display any signs of damage affecting its function, and the seacock shall remain operable. I hope you enjoyed this video, that it was educational. As usual, like and subscribe, and if there are any subjects you would like me to present you, don't hesitate to write it in the comments below. Thank you, have a lovely day.